Welcome to 11501 Northwest Morrow Avenue, located in Ochoco West, just outside of Prineville. This home sits on a 0.44 acre corner lot with RV parking, full RV hookups, and a fully fenced backyard. It's in beautiful condition, has great landscaping, a covered front deck, and a back deck also, an attached 2-car garage. Standing inside the front door, you can see the vaulted ceiling of the great room area, the breakfast bar with island and downdraft range. There's a very good sized dining area. It's a tile floor throughout. The laminate countertops are in excellent condition, as are the cabinets, cupboards, and appliances. It's a spacious living room area. It's a big sectional and it fits there very comfortably. The home does have the coveted primary separation layout, where you have the primary on the west side of the home and both guest bedrooms. On the east side, the primary has its own slider out to the wraparound deck. So if you added a hot tub, you could leave right from the bedroom to the hot tub. Large walk-in closet. Spacious primary bath with shower and the tile floors. That king bed fits very comfortably. The guest bath with tile floors, large vanity, and a tub shower combination. Both guest bedrooms, good size. The carpet's in excellent condition. The thermostat for this central heating and cooling system. The other of the two guest bedrooms. Nice private view out too. Same with all the rooms. They each face a direction where you're really not looking at any side of a home that would be looking back. The utility room with utility sink, lots of storage, perfect location. Just an awesome, great room layout in perfect condition. Out in the garage now, you can see the garage door is 8 feet tall, has windows. You have about 4 feet extra on each side of the garage. So it's about 22 feet wide, has 2 man doors, excellent access for the electrical panel and the furnace and water heater, very accessible. Room to have a little workshop straight ahead of the vehicles here. Still fit a full-size vehicle inside. Have your freezer, all your tools, Just an awesome garage with room for a small workshop. Now in the backyard area, there's a really cool dining and bar section with paper patio, raised flower beds, nice trails. There's a tree house and a separate dog run or chicken coop over in the corner, depending on how you'd like to use that. And the wraparound deck. This is access to the back of the house. That fencing's all just in beautiful condition. You have a little fire pit area too. The privacy and screening, if you wanted to have a hot tub here, is awesome. Behind that layer of fencing, you can hide your wood or whatever else. Then the gravel, keeping everything clean on the side. You can see that central AC unit. There's a fence gate right there at the corner. And this gate straight ahead goes out to the RV parking area. There's another gate to get into the backyard there. This is the graveled RV parking area. You can see this gooseneck. It's about the same length as any RV you'd park here, and it fits very comfortably. And there's the whole hookup for the RV with the water, the electric, and the sewer.